Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 2. Look dear students, here our today's topic is lesson 3 and exercise number 1 today we will do. This is your lecture number 4, SW number 4. Okay, and here I have written your today's SW, okay, which you have to write. From exercise 1, you have to write 1 to 5 exercises in your SW copy. Okay, from 1 to 5 you have to write. Okay, now look, please follow the board. Now I am going to start our today's class. Look, this is lesson 3 and our topic name is pronouns. Dear students, before starting my class, at first I am going to read this conversation. Please follow that. Look, here Renu said, "Where is father?" Then Asha says, "He has gone to the bank." Then again Renu, "Where is Amita?" Then Asha says what? "She is sitting in the balcony." Then Renu, "Where is my coloring book?" Asha, "It is on the shelf." Then again look here, Renu says, "Where are my crayons?" Then Asha said what? "They are in the drawer." Then look, Renu says what? "Will you play with me?" Then Asha says, "Not now. I will play with you later." Look dear students, here you will get some colored words like he, she, it, they, you, I and we too. Okay, look dear students, here these colored words are which are used in place of nouns. These words are called pronouns. So what we have learned about pronoun? Those words which you have used instead of nouns, these words are called pronouns. For example, he, she, it, they, you, I, we, etc. Okay, look dear students, here we use pronouns so that we do not have to repeat the nouns in the sentence. Look, we use pronouns so that we do not have to repeat the nouns in the sentence. Now dear students, we will discuss about exercise number 1. Okay, and in this chapter, from this chapter we will do this exercise, and as your SW you will do from exercise 1 to exercise 5. Okay, now I am going to start. Look, our topic is what? Check the correct pronouns to complete these sentences. Check the correct pronouns to complete these sentences. Number 1, Renu is my best friend. Renu is my best friend. He or she or it is very clever. Look dear students, we know that here Renu is a girl. So here instead of the naming words Renu, here we will use she. Okay, so as pronoun here we will use she. So you will put a tick on the word she, on the pronoun she, you will here put a tick. Okay, so the sentence will be what? Renu is my best friend. She is very clever. So here we will use she. Then number 2, Mr. Ramesh is the principal of our school. Mr. Ramesh is the principal of our school. So which one I can put, in which word I can put a tick on the which word? Look, he or she or it is in his office. Which one is the correct answer here? Yes dear students, here you will put a tick on the word he, because Mr. Ramesh is a male person and instead of his name here we will use here he. Okay dear students, so here we will use he as pronoun. So here you will put a tick on the word he. Okay, then the sentence will be what? He is in his office. He is in his office. Okay, then look, number 3, don't drink water from this oil. He or she or it is dirty. Dear students, here you will put a tick on the pronoun of it. Okay, on the word it, here we will put a tick, okay, on this word. Why? Because we know that when we are going to discuss about any substances, Okay, at that time we will use as pronoun of this. Here we will use eat. Okay, don't drink water from this well. Okay, so here we have discussed about what? Water. Okay, so you have to write here it. It is dirty. Okay, then look distance number 4 now. The boy in the photograph is my brother. The boy in the photograph is my brother. Okay, so dear students, here we are talking about the boy. So here we will use as pronoun, here we will use he. Okay, which one is the correct answer? Here he. Okay, so you will put a tick on the word he. Okay, he is very tall. Dear students, you will get here 3 options, but you will put a tick on the word he. He is very tall. Okay, then number 5. Sunil and I are neighbors. They or you or we often play together. Which one is the correct answer here? Yes, dear students, here you will put a tick on the word we. Okay, here you will put a tick on the pronoun of we. Okay, so here you will put a tick, we often play together. Dear students, all of us we know that what is the plural form of the first person I? Yes, we know that the first person I, its plural form is we. Okay, and here we are talking about first person and with a third person. Okay, so here you have to use instead of these words, here you have to use as pronoun, you have to use we. Okay, we often play together. Then number 6, Guru and Sahiba are waiting at the bus stop. Guru and Sahiba are waiting at the bus stop. We or they or you are waiting for the bus. We or they or you are waiting for the bus. Dear students, which one is the correct answer here? Yes, here you will put a tick on the word they. Why? Because look, Guru and Sahiba, both of them are third person. Okay, and when we are going to discuss about any third person's related thing, at that time you have to use as pronoun they. Okay, so here instead of their names, here you will use here they are waiting for the bus, so you will put a tick on the word they. Okay, then look, we or I or it is late again. We or I or it is late again. Dear students, here you will write, here you will put a tick on the word it. Okay, it is late again. Then look, dear students, here then we are going to discuss about number 7. Mother, what are we or they or you doing? Here mother says what? What are? So here the correct answer will be what? You. What are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? We can't say what are we doing or what are they doing, because this statement is saying by mother. Okay, mother is saying that what are you doing? Okay, what are you doing? She is saying this to you. Okay, so here you can put a tick on the word you. Okay, then look, Chitra and Naina. Look, here we can find 2 girls are talking. Okay, look, Chitra and Naina, they or we or you are watching cartoons on TV. Okay, they or we or you are watching cartoons on TV. Here Chitra and Nina, both of them are saying what? We are watching cartoons on TV. Okay, we. So here you will put a tick on the word we. Okay, we are watching cartoons on TV. That means Chitra and Nina, both of them are saying that we are watching cartoons on TV. Okay, then number 8. Rohit, will I or you or we come to the park to play? Rohit, will I or you or we come to the park to play? Okay, so dear students, look here, Rohit is asking something to you. So here you will put a tick on the word you. Rohit, will you come to the park to play? Okay, Rohit, will you come to the park to play? Okay, then look, Asif and Amar, yes, they or we or you will. Here, look, here Asif and Amar says what? They are saying that, yes, we will. Dear students, we can't say they will or you will, because these things, this statement is saying by Asif and Amar too. Okay, so here you will put a tick on the word we. Asif and Amar, both of them are saying what? We will. Okay. Then look number 9. Joya and I like to draw. We or they or you use crayons. Which one is the correct answer here? To make a meaningful sentence, here we will put a tick we. Okay. Joya and I like to draw. Look, when you will get first person and along with any third person, okay, third person singular number, then at that time we have to use what? We. Joya and I like to draw. We know that what is the plural form of the first person I? Its plural form is we. Okay. We use crayons. So here you will put a tick on the word we. Okay. Then number 10. My dog is happy. They or it or you is playing with a ball. Dear students, here look, which one we can write here? Yes, here the word it is the correct answer, because when you will get any third person, any animal's name or any substance's name, at that time you have to use it. Okay, so here you will write what? It is playing with a ball, and of course look here, this animal is a singular thing. Okay, so here you will use what? It is playing with a ball. So like this way, dear students, you will do this at your home, you will practice it at your home. And now I am going to say about your homework, which I have said already in front of you. So you have to do exercise 1 to 5. Okay, exercise 1 to 5 as your SWO. Okay. So dear students, see you again in our next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.